Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you stir-fried pork with braised paprika. Let's get started. 1 medium braised paprika, 200 grams pork mixture, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 3 tablespoons green onion, 1/2 teaspoon of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons of soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of oyster sauce, 4 tablespoons chicken or vegetable stock. How to make the pork mixture. 200 grams of pork sliced very thin. Add 2 teaspoons cooking oil into the pork. Add 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Add 2 teaspoons cassava plus 2 teaspoons water. Mix well and keep the pork mixture in refrigerator for 3 hours. Heat cooking oil in over medium heat. Add the garlic into a pan. And stir fry for 1 minute. Add the pork mixture and stir fry until the pork mixture is almost cooked. Add braised paprika. Add oyster sauce. Add soy sauce. Add brown sugar. And stir fry until everything combines. Add chicken stock or vegetable stock, whatever how you like. Continue stir fry everything until combined. Add green onions and stir fry everything until combined. Stir-fried pork with braised paprika is all ready to serve. Thank you for watching. See you next time.